So let's take left anterior descending artery. This was the right, and this was left main. And as I told you, it has two arteries. So left anterior descending, I will discuss now. So left anterior descending, it continues in the interventricular area. So on this side there will be right ventricle, on this side there will be left ventricle, and this will be the area of septum. And it will continue along that. And because it is lying anteriorly, so it will supply to the anterior portion of the septum, right? Anterior septum, anterior 2/3 of the septum is supplied by left anterior descending. Second, it will supply to the anterior wall because it is lying anteriorly. That's simple. Okay. And as I told you, sometime what does it do? It will continue sometime, not always, only 10% of the cases, it will continue along the inferior border of the heart, just like right coronary artery continues on the inferior border, just like right coronary artery, left anterior descending can also continue and wrap around the inferior border and supplies to the inferior wall of the heart. And this type of branch of left coronary artery is called wrap around branch. So wraparound branch can also be there. So in case of wraparound branch, it supplies to the inferior wall or inferior border of the heart. Okay. So what are the structures supplied by left anterior descending artery? Basically anterior wall, anterior portion of the septum, and sometime inferior wall and border. Okay. And there are some branches which originate from left anterior descending. So when it comes down, there are some branches here that are called septal branches which supply to the septum, and there are some diagonal branches which supplies to the anterior wall of the heart. So this is all about left anterior descending. So whenever there is problem in the anterior wall, we will think about left anterior descending.